China's military display on Wednesday was a powerful showcase of cutting-edge technology, blending artificial intelligence, laser systems, and advanced chips to signal a rapid arms race driven by scientific breakthroughs. This event isn't just about flashy displays. It's a clear message that modern warfare is being reshaped by innovation, pushing militaries to adapt faster than ever before. Imagine a battlefield where machines make split-second decisions. Lasers can disable targets in seconds, and hypersonic missiles zoom across the sky at speeds that defy traditional defense systems. That's the reality China is preparing for. The parade highlighted AI-powered drones capable of reconnaissance, mine clearance, and even direct combat support, while laser weapons demonstrated precision that could redefine targeting strategies. These tools aren't just gadgets. They're the foundation of a new era in military strategy. But here's where it gets controversial. When AI and automation take over critical warfighting roles, who is truly in control? The parade's emphasis on informatization, connecting every weapon, sensor, and soldier in real time, raises questions about reliance on technology versus human judgment. As one expert noted, this isn't just about firepower. It's about redefining how wars are fought. Take the underwater combat units, for example. These systems could patrol oceans, detect threats, and neutralize enemy submarines, a capability that could shift naval power dynamics globally. Similarly, cyber and electronic forces showcased how digital dominance can cripple an adversary's command systems. Yet, as these technologies evolve, they also introduce risks: hacking, misinterpretation, or unintended escalation. And this is the part most people miss. The parade didn't just show off hardware. It revealed a strategic mindset. By integrating AI, lasers, and chips, China is positioning itself to outmaneuver rivals in a future where warfare is less about brute force and more about speed, adaptability, and data-driven decisions. But here's the big question. Should we be worried about a world where machines make war decisions faster than humans can? What does this mean for global security? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, because this isn't just a military parade. It's a warning, a promise, and a puzzle waiting to be solved.